In this video, we're going to look at how to convert seconds to time using a basic arithmetic formula. In this example, we have a list of seconds in column B, and what we're going to do here is to convert these seconds into a time format, such as hours, minutes, and seconds. The formula that we're going to use here to convert seconds into time is a simple arithmetic formula, without the use of any Excel functions. All this formula is going to do is to divide the number of seconds by the total number of seconds in a single day. So let's begin by entering the formula into cell C3. We'll first select the cell that captures the seconds, which in this case is cell B3. So that's equals B3. Then we're going to divide this by 86,400, which is the total number of seconds in a single day. So let's enter this into the formula. Let's divide 86,400. Then press the enter key. The next step is to format the result to a specific time format that you prefer. To do this, right-click on the cell that captures the result, which in this case is cell C3, and select Format Cells. This will display a Format Cells dialog box. In the Number tab, which should be selected by default, you can either select any of these pre-existing time formats in the Time category, or create your own custom format by going to the Custom category. The format that we'll use here is the hours, minutes, and seconds format, which is represented by HH, column, MM, another column, and SS. This is just the time format that I've used, but you can use any other time format that you prefer. And then press the OK button. You'll notice that the result has now been converted to hours, minutes, and seconds format. We can now drag the formula down and see the results for all the seconds that we've listed in column B. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please click that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.